Up until now, when we've looked at arranging objects, they've all been different. So we may have had a set of cards or something similar, but all the items in the set were distinguishable, meaning we could tell one from the other. We've got a bit of a different situation here. Tom putting away his dishes. As we can see, we've got 7 dishes, but they're not all unique. We've got 3 white plates. That adds a bit of a level of complexity to this that we'll address in this section. So, question A, if we assume that all 7 plates are different, and let's say that 2 of those white plates, one was pink and one was orange, in how many ways could we stack them? Well, we'd have 7 plates. We can arrange 7 plates in 7 factorial ways. Go and do that in the calculator. We get 5,040 different arrangements. Now, obviously that's not going to be the case if we have some repeated items. How does that affect things? Well, question B, let's list out a couple of ways that we could actually stack these plates. Using letter codes, so red will be R, green will be G. With the white ones, we'll call them W1, W2, W3. We could go W1, W2, W3, red, green, yellow, blue. Likewise, we could go W2, W3, W1, red, green, yellow, blue. We could go W3, W1, W2, red, green, yellow, blue, and so on and so on and so on until we got all 5,040 possible combinations. The issue now is these 3 white plates that are indistinguishable. In fact, what has happened is we've created a group that we can't tell apart. So looking at question C, and if we go back to that list in B, we need to look at how many different groups we've eliminated. So what we have is our 7 factorial ways of arranging every plate, but since we have a group of 3 that are the same, we have 3 factorial identical items. To calculate this, we take our 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial. We'll divide by our repeated set. Step over to a calculator. It's better to do this in 2 steps rather than 1, especially when these get to be more complicated questions. That would be 5,040 divided by 6 would give us a total of 840 different arrangements of these plates.